2 install tips that will make your install quick, clean, and no rattle. First one, install these hinge plates loose, because everything's going to be some assembly required out of the box. All these plates will be separate, hardware is separate. Read through instructions, they're decent, but put these in loose. You know, tighten them down to where you can still move it, basically. You'll do that off the Jeep. Set your pins in place onto the Jeep and close the door. Tighten these down, snug them down. That's it. You do have an adjustment for this latch here, these 2 screws right here. Just make sure these are snugged down, because once you have it latched and these hinges are tight, that's it. You'll drive yourself crazy trying to adjust these to eliminate any rattle you might have, because it shows up in my lighting, there is a small little rubber bumper here. It's not sufficient. The trick to eliminating any rattle, this is that second tip, this Velcro tape right here. And you probably could use electrical tape as well, but I think this Velcro tape will last me the summer. This stuff is the same stuff you just wrap cables for like a computer or something like that. 2 inches of this approximately. We'll wrap it around the striker here and test it. No rattle. I've been driving around with this for a little while now. So I just cut the same length on every one of these. Perfect. The only knock I have for these mirrors here is on the driver's side. I would like it to be able to adjust out a little bit more. It's sufficient, but I see more of the side of the Jeep than I normally would on a side mirror. The passenger side is fine. Didn't have any issues with that. Overall, pretty happy with these considering the price on them. And you know, time will tell if it gets nicked or scratched. Make sure you put, you know, some type of touch-up on it or whatever, because all these cheap Chinesium type stuff, they will rust. Any type of metal like this is going to rust once the finish is chipped. Mine shipped with I had no damage in it, so pretty happy about that. Take a look at the links if you want. Overall, I'm happy for some budget doors, and thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, sharing the vid. Boom. Bonus tip, don't forget your limiting straps for the doors. You need to mount this with the door hardware. Front doors get the shorter strap, the back doors get the longer strap on the JK Unlimited.
Anyway, we will now head into the jungle and see what we can find.